Hey there, my name is Sagar. For the first time ever, I'm going to create a series of video on specific topic. And guess what? My favorite topic that is on Facebook group. As a Facebook group growth and monetization practitioner and a coach, it's my responsibility to give value on that particular topic on YouTube. If you're someone for the first time not subscribed yet, please do subscribe me so that you will get notified for the upcoming series of videos. So let's get started. So first I'll talk about why Facebook group, because many people have seen that they are not actually considering Facebook group as a tool to grow their business. Even if some people know that they have that, but they don't know how to actually monetize it. And in this series, I'll be giving you in-depth analysis of Facebook, the power of Facebook group. So let's get started without any delay. So today's video, I'll talk about why Facebook group. And if you have not joined my Facebook group, you can find the link below in the description. Do join and see like how I have structured it and how I'm actually doing it. You might have that hack, like funnel hack formula to hack what's exactly happening over there. Yes. So you have access to a 2.8 billion active monthly users. You know what? Facebook has a huge audience. Now, can you imagine if you can just get that fraction of those people, those billions people, it is a huge, right? So that is the power of Facebook group. Now you have a control over people that you want to attract. You are not adding random people. Facebook has that feature that you can control that you don't want all the people to get into it. As a group owner, you can keep it private and make it more strict so that you will only get those people, those who really that you really want them inside, right? That is the second thing. Third, you are building a community of loyal fans. Because when somebody is joining a group, they might need some help. They might like they know you. Now, like bring some organic tips, like so that people will join you, looking at you, like wow, how much value you're providing. That only you can use a Facebook group as a learning tool. Many people don't know this. Using guide section, they can actually don't need any LMS. If you're starting out, I have seen some coaches build their courses, just launch with a Facebook group, because Facebook group guides has that feature that it took like a membership area, right? That is a learning tool. Next, build authority in your niche. Moment you have big audience, it is your audience, right? And that's how you build authority. Priceless insights on how to improve your offer. Why? So I'll be talking about some strategies where you actually get to know a lot about your audience. And many people, many marketers fail because they don't know about their audience, what they want and what exactly they would like to reach, they, or what is exactly their end goal. So Facebook has a very good feature I'll share in the upcoming videos that actually help to uh, improve your offer based on the feedback. And you will get free traffic from Facebook group recommendations. Have you ever seen that whenever you join any group, the moment you join a group, it will showcase other similar group also. And that's where your group will be recommended. If your group is active, you are putting content regularly and you have engaged group, Facebook does recommend inside other groups also, like similar kind of groups. Got it? If this idea is a bulb on moment, type bulb on in the comment box. We find it is very fruitful. Yeah. First challenges. workshop events for free. You don't need any high-end tool or anything. Literally, I host my first ever 5-day challenge on Facebook group, and just I was the only tool I need was StreamYard. StreamYard is free for 20 hours in a month. I'll also share all the details like what are tools like you literally create Facebook group that actually don't need in high on tools and technology and something funnels or everything can possibly using just Facebook group. Get quality leads and conversions. The upcoming session I'll be talking about those things, and it will help you to build your biggest asset, that is email list. 90% of my email list is built through Facebook group. Would you like to know it? And I will talk about the next upcoming sessions. So till then, so if you like this video, if you found this information fruitful, please hit the like button and share what is the one key takeaways from this particular videos. So stay connected, stay updated so that you will get notified for the next upcoming videos.